Living in China for 17 years, Ian Clark, a foreign education consultant of Lingshui International Education Innovation Pilot Zone in South China's Hainan province, spoke highly of the sharing spirit and integration model of the pilot project.
The reason I came to Lingshui International Education Pilot Zone is in the name, innovation. One of the biggest innovations we have on campus is big sharing. And this means that the universities can share everything. They can share facilities, they can share classrooms, they can share equipment. That's quite good.
The pilot zone adopts an innovative model that all the universities have their own buildings, but share public facilities, including libraries, sports venues, and public teaching buildings.
And I just don't mean the facilities, I also mean the educational systems, how we integrate Chinese education with international education systems. I think the educational system that we are beginning to see develop here will be a hybrid model where Chinese education is indeed compatible and mixed.
As China's highland of educational opening up and innovation, the pilot zone has inked agreements with 22 renowned colleges and universities from home and abroad since June 2020, including Coventry University in the UK, University of Alberta in Canada, and China's Peking University.
What we are going to see is more and more foreigners coming here to teach, and they will also form international communities within and out with our zone in this area.